Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, if alpha and beta are the root of the quadratic equation, 9x squared minus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. We are to evaluate alpha cube, beta cube times 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, now the quadratic equation is 9x squared minus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. So let's compare this one with the standard quadratic equation. So ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So comparing this, we know that our a is 9, b is equal to minus 11, and c is equal to 2. So with this type of question, we need to find the sum of roots and then the product of roots. Now the roots are alpha and beta. So what is alpha plus beta? Now it is minus b on a. So we have minus 11 over a is 9. So we have 11 over 9. Okay. Then alpha beta, that's the product of root, is c over a. Now what is our c is 2, and then a is also 9. Okay, so let's come to the expression, the given expression. We have alpha cube times beta cube all times 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared. There are several ways of doing it. We can expand and simplify it, or we can rewrite this and make it alpha, say alpha beta all cube, and then simplify what is in the bracket. But I want us to expand and simplify before we substitute the values. Now, one thing about symmetric function is we always express the given expansion in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Why? Because we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from the given equation. Okay, so let's expand this. Alpha cube, beta cube times this. So this one, 2 of this will cancel 2. So we have alpha times beta cube here plus this. 2 of this will cancel 2 of that. So we are going to have alpha cube times beta. And we can factorize alpha beta is common. So let's bring alpha beta out. Now when we do that, we have beta squared plus alpha squared. Now per symmetric function, beta squared plus alpha squared is the same as alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta at the symmetric function. So we are just going to substitute the values and evaluate. We know that alpha beta from the equation is 2 on 9 and alpha plus beta is 11 on 9. So this is 2 over 9, right? And then alpha plus beta is 11 over 9 square minus 2 times 2 over 9. So let's simplify further. So we have 2 over 9 into bracket. So 11 squared is 121 over 9 squared is 81. So this one, 2 times 2 will be 4 over 9. We can find the LCM. The LCM is 81. 81 to 81 will be 1. So we have 121 here. Minus 9 into 81 is 9 times 4 is 36. So we have 2 over 9 times 121 minus 36 is 85 over 81. Then multiply. So 2 times 85 is 170. And then 9 times 81 is 729. That is our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, you like this video, can you click on the subscribe button? If you want more of these exciting and engaging videos, turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.